Growing up in the shadow of Tajikistan's civil war, the country's youth have an important role to play in ensuring its future stability. But in many communities, poverty, scarce resources, and limited educational opportunities threaten to marginalize youth, increasing their risk of involvement in violence. Yet when given a chance to participate in meaningful activities, build self-confidence, and dialogue about community issues, at-risk youth can become positive forces in society. USAID's Youth Theatre for Peace project works to empower youth, educators, and community leaders as ambassadors of peace in their communities and regions. Youth Theatre for Peace promotes sustainable conflict prevention at the community level, using an interactive theater methodology called Drama for Conflict Transformation. In the summer of 2010, 110 teenagers from Sookt and Hatlon regions attended Youth Theatre for Peace camps, funded by USAID and organized by NGOs IREX, FIDOCOR, and EHIO. Teachers from their villages accompanied the young people to the camps and guided them through a process to build trust, get to know one another, reflect on local conflict issues, and develop performances to share in their communities. The theater process forms a deep sense of trust and respect among participants from diverse backgrounds and creates a space where youth voices are heard and valued. Preparing a forum theater play teaches conflict analysis and develops youth self-esteem and confidence. Youth develop teamwork and group learning skills, while educators learn to facilitate a youth-positive, inclusive group process. When I came to the camp for the first time, it seemed to me that the people around were very proactive. I decided to be like them, and even better than them. I felt that I could. A human being can have an impact through interaction. Before the young people came to the theater camps, they did not have many ideas about the problems they faced. Today, they are more aware of social issues, and they pay more attention to what is going on around them in the community.
I felt happy from the first day of my participation in the camps. I have found many friends here who speak different languages like Tajik, Russian, and English. At the same time, I learned a lot about different traditions and cultures.
Though the summer camps are over, the theater activities are far from finished. The young people will continue to share their performances and the Drama for Conflict Transformation methodology with their communities and neighboring villages, encouraging dialogue and sustainable conflict prevention.